to add referral code on Shein app. First, open your Shein app and make sure that you're already logged into your account. At the lower right below, click the cart button. This is where you'll see the items that you added to your cart and the checkout page. Then, click any items you want to purchase and then click the checkout button at the lower right corner. It will then direct you to order confirmation page. Choose the payment method you want. Then find the box for entering a coupon or referral code. Click the Apply Coupon button and enter the referral code in the box. After that, click the Apply button. The discount will now be added to your order. You can also use your gift card to enjoy more discounts. So that's basically how to add referral code to your Shein app. I hope you learned something new today. Enjoy more discounts, thank you.